Now we're going to do our extra credit, but it's not extra credit for you. The fruit, here we are in Bridge, so double click and open the fruit. And then we are going to convert to a smart filter. So go up to the top, filters, and convert to smart filter. There it is. Press OK. Then we're going to go filter again and camera raw filter. Now we're opening the image in camera raw, which is really awesome. Then we're going to click onto the brush tool, or the masking tool, excuse me. Then click onto the brush, and we have all these options that we have to input. Let me go ahead and find the numbers. The brush is going to be 8. The feather is 85. And down at the bottom, our exposure is 1.5. Now we're going to brush over the fruit and make it lighter to brighten it up. And let's see. Continue until the fruit is too bright. Yeah, it's really bright on that orange. Let's make it brighter. Hot spot on that pear. Once you've brushed all the fruit, reduce the exposure setting in the light panel until the image looks more realistic. So I'm going to go under light and move that exposure to the left so it looks a little bit more subtle. Once you're okay with your settings, you press OK. And now we've made our adjustment, which is so cool. Go ahead and save it. Fruit _ last name, first name. Good job, you guys. We're done with lesson 12.